The Vedas purpose, at least major portion of Vedas purpose, was sacrifice. Vedas were designed to do karma. Karma means rites, rituals. When you do yagam, it is like a very intricate, complicated surgery. Okay, it is not simple. There is procedures for it. And Vedas were actually divided into four because there are four aspects of a yagam. Okay, there are four main functions who actually contribute to a yaga or a yajna. There is a set of people who are called Hota. Okay, and this Hota are the ones who belong to the branch of Rig Veda. Okay, and the second person who officiates in a yajnam is called Adhvaryu. He is the one who is taken the Yajur Veda in it. Okay. And the third one is the singer, the one who is a Samavedi, the one who belongs to Samaveda. He's called Udgata. Okay. And see the beauty of Vedic rituals. It realized to get three people to work together, you need a coordinator and a manager. Okay. And the fourth one is called Brahma. He's the manager. He oversees all this and constantly checks whether if there is any mistake happening. If there is a mistake, he would say stop and show them how to correct the mistake. So Hota, Rig Vedam, Adhvaryu, Yajur Vedam, right? And Udgata, Sama Vedam, Brahma, Atharva Vedam. Rig, Yajus, Sama, Atharva, right? You see, our culture, suppose we want Guruji to come home, okay? We first go and invite him and wait for him outside and usher him inside and we say Hare Rama or Sadguru Opakimam Paramadayalo Rakshamam. We invoke Guruji into our home. Likewise, the purpose of Hota, Rig Veda, is to chant the mantras to invoke the devas into the altar or the sacrifice or the rites and rituals. Right? Then what Adhvaryu does is he takes over. He is the one who measures the actual sacrificial ground. He builds the altar. He prepares the vessels. He fetches wood and water, the grass, and he's the one who lights the fire while chanting Yajur Veda. Are you with me now? Okay, good. These are the main functions of Adhvaryu. And once Agni is brought into the altar and the deity whom you want to please is invoked into that Agni, now as soon as Swamiji comes home, what do you do? First you enter him and somebody invites him. Then the second team inside the home takes care of it. Then they are the ones who ensure there is a nice kolam or rangoli. They are the ones who ensure there is a nice seat covered with some clean cloth for Swamiji to sit. And they bring water and they bring a little bit of a plate to do the ablution or washing of Mahan's feet. And they ensure that, the place is made conducive for Mahatma Swamiji to come and sit comfortably, right? So on. And then comes Udgata. What does he do? He chants Samaveda and praises by songs the one who has come to give us boons. So there'll be somebody in the home who will say, you came today, Swamiji. We are all very blessed. In fact, it is a result of so many janmas of punyam that such a great Mahatma have come and decorated my home. All this would be supervised by an elderly person standing who knows all the functions. Suppose this person inside the house is not able to wash the feet of Swamiji properly, or he does not know the order in which to do, whether we put Dupam first or Deepam first and then water and then Archana and then Harati, he is watching. If they do something wrong, he comes in and says, don't do this, do that. And now, since you did something wrong, go wash your hands, come back and again do. That is Brahma. He is Atharva Veda. He is the supervisor and the manager. Because in your books, they would say first came Rig Veda, then came Yajur Veda, then came Samaveda, then came Atharva Veda. Rig Veda period, Yajur Veda period. Man, all the four were equally important for you to do a Vedic sacrifice. The Vedas purpose, at least major portion of Vedas purpose, was sacrifice. So all the four existed simultaneously. Veda Vyasa Bhagavan merely separated them. Okay, and gave them structure, saying, let this be like that. And within Yajur Veda, he just collected all the mantras together and all the instructions together, so on and so forth. That's all. And gave it to four disciples for succession, for sustainability. See the thinking. And he ensured it was not written down. If you write down something, people can get lazy and they would think it's anyway in books. I will look at it and read it. There is a difference between speaking from memory and reading out. Natural recitation will come when you actually do it from memory, isn't it? Spontaneously. Not when you read. And that is the reason why our Vedas are called Shruti. You listen and you repeat. You learn it by listening. And that's how 4 branches of Vedas were given. And very beautifully, our Veda Vyasa thought, now I think Vedas will be protected.